Hey guys, there's a new update in Grotto, let's go check it out. By the way, I'm sorry if I'm slow, I'm sitting down. That's a radiator. I'm sitting down because there's no room. Go out the tape, I love Grotto, Jman. Yo! Ow. Yo! Sorry, my controllers are broken as well. That's why I haven't been making much videos, because my controllers have been breaking. So yeah, all the messages, by the way, I figured it out. Well, I didn't, but I got told. Yeah, they was not the end of Gorilla Tag. It was literally just this. I can prove to you. Just gotta slowly get over here. Yeah, look. Look, where's my child, Jman Curly? That's where the messages were. There's another one. Here, playing my song, it's a bot. Yeah, all the messages, it's all been fake. Like, it's not the end of Gorilla Tag. The sound it makes of the crackling, that was literally just, that was literally just Jman Curly, his song either slowed down or reversed, I can't remember. But yeah, see you on the next one, and I hope to be doing lives soon. Alright, see ya.